Now, this person keeps replaying your last conversation in their head, and this is going to be a love tarot reading for you. So, namaskar, everyone. My name is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna, the Moon Tarot. And if this reading has found you today, I don't believe it's by accident. It is by choice, the choice of universe. So, before we begin, comment I claim this below in the comment section, and if you've been silently watching my readings for a while, take a second to like this video because it helps this message reach people who need to hear this message the most. So now let's just see what's happening. And I'm so sorry, I have been under psychic attack of lately, because of which I haven't been able to come online. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up a few energies, and the first energy that I'm picking up right now, um this is not the energy of somebody who has forgotten you. This is not the energy of somebody who has moved on. uh this is an energy of somebody who's trying to heal. This is an energy of somebody who's regretting everything right now. This is somebody who keeps returning to specific memory, maybe a specific conversation, a specific moment, a specific ending, and they replay it over and over and over and over again. Okay, and for some of you, this was an argument that did not end up well between you both. Okay, for some of you, this was the last phone call. For others, it may be, for others, this was a message left unanswered, but spirit keeps bringing me back to one thing. Okay, spirit keeps bringing me back to one thing. And just to let you know, they are not replaying this conversation because they are angry. They are replaying it because they wish something had gone differently over here. You are like their wish fulfillment, no doubt about it. And I keep hearing, I should have said more. I should have stayed. I should have explained. Because at the end of the day, you are the love of their life, the lovers, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, energy, Aquarius energy. I should have explained. I should have fought harder, is what they are thinking. And they are now regretting right now. And the energy feels so heavy because whoever this person is they are carrying regret. Now remember, this is a collective reading because the energies that I'm reading here, the cards that have come out, this is all collective. Okay, so take what resonate and leave what doesn't resonate with you. But the first thing I want to tell you is that I don't see emotional indifference here. I do not see any sort of emotional indifference here. I see emotional avoidance rather. Okay, I see emotional avoidance because somebody did push somebody back, five o wheels, feeling lonely, feeling left out, and those are two very different things. Okay, somebody here convinced themselves they were okay. Somebody here told themselves they were over it. Somebody here tried to move forward, yet every road somehow keeps bringing them back to you every time. And that is why spirit is actually showing me this replay energy, because their mind has moved forward, like literally moved forward here, and their heart has not. The zodiac signs I'm picking up strongly right now is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, very strongly. And I also see Leo here because, okay, because I see that they feel very happy still whenever they think about you. But more importantly, I feel this is somebody who has become trapped inside their own thoughts, their own thoughts. And that's and what's interesting is that cards aren't showing action here yet. They are showing reflection before action, reflection before communication, reflection before realization. And that tells me something important is building beneath the surface. Okay. So now hold on. I was not expecting this card, but it has come up. If you are currently in a no contact with someone, just comment below. Yes, you are. Hype this video below, because this just became extremely specific right now. These two cards. This card appears when somebody is mentally revisiting every detail of a situation, not because they don't remember, but because they remember too much and they feel bad about it. They remember your words, they remember your reactions, they remember the look on your face, and they keep asking themselves whether they made the right choice or not. So, comment hype if this sounds like your situation, because spirit is confirming that this reading is finding the right people today. Okay. Okay, now I want to tap into in your current thoughts and feelings, your current energies right now. And I feel many of you are tired, no doubt about it, because there are so many conflicts, fights, so many things, not because you stopped loving them, but because you have been carrying unanswered questions. You have spent months trying to understand something that never received a proper explanation here. Okay, some of you are constantly even wondering what happened, what really happened, why did they change, why did they pull away, did they ever truly love me, is what you've been asking yourself. Okay, and spirit wants me to tell you something really, really, really important here, Libra energy. Your confusion is valid, because the ending was not at all clear. The ending was not at all clear, and the ending was not complete. Justice card has come up. Balance was not there. There are loose ends here. There are unfinished emotions here, is what I see. And there are still things that have not been spoken properly. Not at all. And if you want to know what are their current energies, because this is where things will start becoming very interesting. Ooh, because what they show the world and what they truly feel are two completely different stories here. That's what is showing up on the cards. Their current thoughts and feelings. Okay, there is missing energy, comparing others, social media, regret, emotional suppression, ego, and whatnot. The strongest thing I am seeing is that they expected time to help them forget, but they couldn't. Instead, time has been helping them remember. Empress energy, you are still there, Venus. Very strong Venus card here. So, a quick reminder, if this reading is resonating so far, comment where you are watching from and let me know where you are currently where you are currently in a no contact separation situation. I read as many comments as possible, and I love hearing your stories as well, because that is where I pick up my next topic from. So, do comment. Okay, I see this person had a lot of fear of vulnerability, pride, family pressure, third party influences for some, is what I see. The connection didn't end because the feelings disappeared. The connection struggled because someone didn't know how to handle the intensity of the feelings. Okay, they didn't know how to handle the intensity. Also, if you've been watching these readings regularly and haven't subscribed yet, I would love to have you as a part of our Luna family. So many people return to every reading but don't realize they are not subscribed. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, um, and make sure you check that button and hit the notification bell as well. Now I'm gonna see what is happening behind the scenes. Behind the scenes, I see there is, this is where the hope increases actually. The theme that I see in this particular spread is watching from afar, asking about, thinking of reaching out, dreaming about you. Signs and synchronicities is what I feel that you're already seeing. The silence may be real, but emotional distance is not. Okay? Not at all. And for my India family, by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi channel as well. And if Hindi isn't your first language, YouTube has auto translations available for many other languages. So you can go ahead and turn the auto translations on. Okay. Now, if you ask me, the future, I see communication, I see apology, I see emotional confession, slow movement becoming faster is what I see right now. I don't see a dramatic overnight transformation, but I do see an apology, and I see this person reaching out in the next 8 days. I see somebody slowly gathering the courage to do something they have wanted to do for a very long time, for a very, 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 very long time. And for those who have been asking, YouTube membership is currently open, and members receive early access to many readings before they are released publicly. So do go ahead and join my membership, become a member of my channel as well. Now, you must be wondering, what is the final outcome? What is going to happen in the future? Because this connection feels unfinished still. Not because Spirit wants you to wait, not because Spirit wants you to pause your life, but because there are still emotions that need to be expressed. The energy I'm ending on is not one of a permanent loss sort of energy. It's one of unfinished conversation is what I see. And that makes perfect sense. Like literally it does. Because today's entire reading began with a conversation they cannot stop replaying, and it ends with a conversation that may still need to happen. Very strongly is what I see. So, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And if this reading resonated, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Follow my YouTube channel, Luna Moon Tarot Hindi as well, and follow me on Instagram as well. And for personal tarot readings, white magic, candle work, and guidance session, all details are available in the description box below. YouTube membership is open for early access to future readings, and take care of your beautiful heart. This is Luna the Moon Tarot, reminding you that love always returns where it truly, truly, truly belongs. And I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't recovered. I have been feeling very, very, very much under the, like there has been a lot of heaviness, and that has kept me away from social media as well. I'm still recovering. I have not fully recovered. So in case if I am being inconsistent here, please do not mind. I need this break because I need this healing. Like I do your healing, I need this healing for myself, this break for myself, because people who know what psychic attacks are, they are aware what and how much toll it takes on a healer, on a reader. And that's what happened with me. So just give me few more days, not much, but few more days. I will try to be regular right now, which I haven't been in last 1 week. But in case if I miss out in a for a day or two, do not mind. Just stay tuned. I would request you to please be patient with me. Let me heal. Let me recover, and I'll be back same as before. So thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.